Good morning, students. Welcome to MachelBuddy.com. Hope you are all fine. Stay home, stay safe. This is Mrs. Arunjyoti, School Assistant Social Studies from ZPHS Ramantapur, Machel District.
Now we move on to literacy rate among the Indian states. Who is a literate? A person aged 7 and above who can both read and write with understanding in any language is treated as literate. That is, a person who can read and write can be called as a literate. But a person who can only read but cannot write is not literate. India's literacy rate is at 74.04%. Kerala is the most literate state in India with 93.91% literacy. Bihar is the least literate state in India with a literacy of 63.82%. Literacy is the key to socio-economic progress in a country. At the time of independence in 1947, 12% of population were literate. Now it grew to 74% by 2011. However, 2011 census shows that there is a wide disparity in literacy rates for men and women. For men, it is 82% and women it is 65%. Now the graph here shows the literacy rates of different states in our country as per the census 2011. Rajasthan is the second worst performer with literacy rate at 69.7%, followed by Bihar at 70.9%, Telangana at 72.8%, Uttar Pradesh at 73% and Madhya Pradesh at 73.7%. The study shows the overall literacy rate in India at about 77.7%. According to Census 2011, Kerala has the highest total literacy rate and female literacy rate is also highest in Kerala. Whereas in Lakshadweep, the literacy rate is highest for males. So the male literacy rates are highest in Lakshadweep. Rajasthan has the lowest male literacy rate, while Bihar has the lowest female literacy rates. Now this graph shows about the district-wise literacy rates in Telangana. We can see that Hyderabad ranks 1 and the least literacy rate is seen in Gadwal. So, students, if we want our India to reach 100% literacy, it is our duty to make all efforts to become educated and also help others to get education. So you study well, help others to study well so that together we can make India 100% literate. So you are today's children, but the future of the country depends on you. So you need to work hard and study well.